suffering and the true meaning of faith. We heard in the Gospel today the parable of the rich man, and we witness a tragedy of presence and absence. The rich man, clothed in splendor, lived like an unseen luxury. Lazarus, on the other hand, lay at the side at his gate, a visible, suffering human being. The rich man's sin is not about wala yung pakialam. Wala ang kailangan yung pag-inang sa mula. He allowed a spiritual chasm to open between them, a chasm so wide and so vast that it reached even to eternal life. When the rich man died, the chasm that he made reached to eternal life. Kaya ito siya mga cross sa langit. And what is this eternal chasm? What is this chasm that the rich man is making when he is still alive? It is about presence and absence. And the parable is being amplified in the first reading. When the prophet Amos severely says, "Woe to those who are at ease in Zion." These are the people whose lives are marked by exquisite comfort, feasting, stretching out on ivory beds,